In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IKEA Room Planner for 2025. Whether you're setting up a comfy new living space or planning a refreshing redesign, this tool will be your best friend in visualizing and organizing your ideas. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to IKEA.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the direct website link or simply search IKEA in your search engine. Once you're there, make sure you're on the right regional site for your country to get accurate product availability and pricing. Once you're on the IKEA homepage, you'll see various menu options. Hover over or click on Planning and Services located in the main navigation menu. This section offers a plethora of tools and services tailored to help you plan and design your perfect space without leaving your home. Next up, select Self-Planning Tools from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find a range of planners to choose from. IKEA has conveniently categorized these tools to make it easier for you to find exactly what you need. Now choose which room you want to design. It could be the bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen. Select the option that suits your project. This will narrow down the tool's focus and align its features with the specific room you wish to tackle. It's important that you give some thought to the space you're planning to ensure that your design efforts are productive and aligned with your vision. After selecting the room, opt for the Create from Scratch option. This is particularly useful if you already have a vision of what you want or if you wish to experiment freely with your ideas. Starting from scratch gives you creative control to build from the ground up. Now it is time to set up your room layout. This includes defining the room dimensions and any pertinent architectural details, such as doors, windows, and any other features that will affect the placement of furniture. Make sure to enter measurements accurately for the best results in your design project. Take time to play around with these settings until you feel the space accurately reflects what you have at home. With your room layout established, it's time to add IKEA furniture into the mix. You can explore their wide range of products and place them into your virtual room. This is where your space truly begins to take shape. Each piece of furniture can be dragged and dropped, and you can adjust their position until you achieve a setup that's functional and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, the IKEA Room Planner also allows you to make adjustments with ease. If a certain layout doesn't quite work or a piece of furniture doesn't fit as planned, swap it out and try something new. Experiment until you find a perfect fit for your needs. And that's it. You've now taken a significant step in visualizing your dream space using the IKEA Room Planner. Take your time, explore different configurations, and most importantly, have fun being your own interior designer. Thanks for joining me today, and happy planning!